Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can activate the daily reminder in the Habitica application. So let us guide you through it. Launch the Habitica productivity app on your device, and after that, here on your home screen, tap into these three lines in the top left and access your account settings by tapping onto that gear icon here. And after that, here in your settings, scroll all the way down till you get to the daily reminder. Tap into it or into the checkbox here to the right to activate it. And after that, you can set a reminder time here below. Like for example, I don't know, 6:30 p.m. or something like that. Set it by tapping on set here in the bottom right corner, and that is going to set a reminder. So that's one way how you can do it, guys. The other option would be to simply head over to one of your tasks or to-do lists or dailies. So let me go, for example, with a to-do by tapping into to-do here. And after that, tap into one of these to-dos below we have created. So for example, let me go with that one here, complete team project. And after that, simply swipe down till you get to the reminders and set a reminder from this to-do by tapping into that plus icon here. And that's it. After that, simply find a day from that calendar and also a time to set the reminder for the given task. So let me go, for example, September 4th. After that, tap on OK. Set a time of the day, like, I don't know, 6 p.m. Tap on OK here, and that is going to set a reminder that will be sent to you for the given to-do. Last but not least, save these changes by tapping on save here in the top left, in the top right corner, and that should do it and save these reminders for that to-do. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.